Wagwan again, all of the people and people wagwan, all of the Silk Reacts people, big up on yourself now. I've been sharing some lot of artists to you guys to hear. You understand? A long time the people them said them not hear Gyptian. You understand? Gyptian ready back again in the dark, bro. God, not in a light this time. Oh, and Gyptian now. People subscribe right now, please, and thank you very much. Z, big up all of my new subscriber people. Y'all will hear all of these music, bro, right over on One Code Music channel right here. Pong. Yes, guys, thank you very much. Let's get right into it. Song sounds smooth. One Gyptian feelings now. Gyptian, wait till them. Clean like a video, bro.
She said I can come over tonight and do with her whatever. Wait till it's dark outside and just make your way over. She wanna come outside and do with her whatever. Just make my way over tonight and do it silent as ever. Don't let them see, cause people like to talk. Oh no, and I agree. I don't want no trouble. Oh yeah, she invests in the cheating. She's the definition of toxic. And me just keep on showing. Same thing as me, never business. She wishes it.
You don't know Gyptian, you better know him. No, Gyptian never ease up you. Gyptian tough like stone. A lot of lyrics always in Gyptian songs, bro. Do you know that? No? Well, know it now.
I can come out tonight and do with her whatever. Wait till it's dark outside and just make your way over. She wanna come outside and do with her whatever. Just make my way over tonight and do it silent as ever. So she want fuck, walk non-stop. This a gal a good, but this gal bad. But me, I tell you, sometimes I think she...
Bro, once a girl is ready for you with lingerie, bro, that means she really need you, bro. You understand? That's what Gyptian is trying to tell you, bro.
Says she want come 10 times non-stop. It's like she take a pill, and all she a pop. It's like she want to take a lot of juice out of my back. But before she do 3 out of the 10, you don't know the thing. I chat this girl in the chat, that's why she tell me I can come over tonight and do with her whatever. Wait till it's dark outside and just make your way over. She wanna come outside and do with them whatever. Just make my way over tonight and do it silent as ever.
White have to be husband, bro. It cannot be a boyfriend or something, bro. White have to be the husband. Egyptian no play, bro. God. People subscribe right now. This is Gyptian in the dark, guys. You understand? In the dark right now. Ladies! Lady wind up like your glass.
I can come over tonight and do it.
Christ, a girl look good like when me across the road.
Whatever. Wait till it's dark outside.
Yeah.
And just make your way over. She wanna come outside and do with that whatever. Just make my way over tonight and do it silent as ever.
This song is reality, bro. Gyptian is singing from his heart, bro. Like it's been something he been doing, bro. You understand? Gyptian never feel. I done it done. Jesus Christ. Ladies. In the dark, my friend. You understand? Subscribe right now, my friend. Big up yourself. This is Gyptian in the dark. Bro, this song have to play at party, event, club. Everywhere. Right now, everywhere. That's what I mean. Everywhere. In Patwa, everywhere. Yeah. Pick up on yourself. Thank you very much for tuning in. You are reached the end of the video. Thank you very much again. Yes. Subscribe on One Code Music and y'all will hear these new music over on One Code Music channel, okay? People, I'm out.